Hello everybody, I hope you had a good week. Today we're going to go through a FreeCAD tutorial on how to create an elbow pipe. So let's go ahead and get started. Change your workbench to part design. Go ahead and click on create new. Click on create body. Click on create sketch. Go ahead and click on XY plane and then click on OK. Go ahead and click on the line tool and then draw a straight line and then draw another vertical line. Let's go ahead and give a horizontal and vertical constraint to these two lines. Click on the horizontal line, give it 200. Let's zoom out. Go ahead and click on the vertical constraint. Click on the vertical line and give it 200. Okay, and then let's go ahead and create a fillet between those two lines. Click on the fillet tool, click on the first line, click on the second line. Go ahead and click on the constraint, which is the radius constraint, and give it 100. Okay, let's zoom out. So what we're going to do is we're also going to give it this drawing a constraint, so it's fully constrained. So go ahead and click on the vertical constraint tool, click on that point and click on that point, and then give it a distance of 100, right? So let's go ahead and check that. So that's 100, that's 100. Zoom again, let's check that constraint. Okay, let's give this again. The constraint looks like they were taken out. Let's go ahead and select our vertical constraint, put it on that line, and give it 200. Select our horizontal constraint, click on that line, and give it 200. Yeah, I think there's an issue with FreeCAD here. Since we did a fillet, it actually chopped off a part of the part. So it's better to do the fillet first and then do the distances. So our object is fully constrained, as you can see. Let's just move out there. So everything is okay. Go ahead and click on close. There we go. We have our outline. So we are going to create another sketch. Click on create sketch. This time we are going to select our YZ plane. Okay. So click on YZ plane. Click on OK. So after clicking on OK, we shall get our coordinate system. We're going to draw a circle. Click on the circle tool. Click on that point. Then click out. Go ahead and click on the radius constraint. You're going to click on that circle and give it a radius of 50. Let's zoom out. Okay, I think that's okay. Go ahead and click on close. So we have our circle and also we have the outline of our pipe. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on this tool which is the sweep tool, or you can call it an additive pipe. So go ahead and click on this tool. So, and then on that tool, it's going to, let's first close this just to be sure. Let's go to the model. Make sure we're clicking on sketch 1 because we need the circle. Click on sketch 1, click on that additive tool or sweep tool. It will ask for the path. Go ahead and click on object and click on that path. And then it will give us the outline of our pipe. Go ahead and click on OK. As you can see, we have the outline of our pipe. So click on that face, click on Control, click on that second face, and then click on this tool, which is make a thick solid. Go ahead and click on that. It will ask for the dimensions. Set the dimensions to 5. And then click on OK. As you can see, if we check through, you'll see that our pipe is now hollow. So that part of the pipe is done. So we're going to go ahead and draw the flanges on both ends. So zoom in to this. Make sure you select that inner edge like that. And then you're going to click on this tool, which is local coordinate. Click on that. Click on selecting, and then click on OK, right? And then click refresh. So go ahead and click on this face, and then click on our new data plane tool. Click on that, and then click on OK. Go ahead and refresh. Then click on the data plane tool, click on sketch, and zoom in. Click the circle tool, click that point, draw the first circle, click that point, draw the second circle. Let's go to constraints and select the radius constraint. Click on the inner circle and give it 50 millimeters. That will match with that inner section. Okay, then click on radius constraint again, click on the outer part of it and give it 90. So we're done with our 2 dimensions and they are fully constrained. Go ahead and click on close. Make sure you're selecting sketch tool and then click on the pocket tool. Under pocket tool, sorry, this is not, it's not supposed to be a pocket. Click on sketch and then click on the pad tool. Under pad, give it 10 millimeters. Okay. As you can see, it will fit there. So give it 10 millimeters and then click on OK. Okay. We should be good with that. So go ahead and click on our datum tool again. Click on sketch, zoom in. We're going to draw our circle again. So if you don't see the lines, you can always click on this tool so the lines come on top. Click on that, make sure you're selecting that line and draw the circle. Go to radius constraint, give that circle 8, press enter. Go to vertical constraint, sorry, horizontal constraint, click on that point and then click on the center of that circle. And we're going to give it around 70. 70 should put it in the roughly in the middle. Yeah, 70 would be fine. So after we do that, go ahead and click on close. Click on sketch 3. Click on pocket. We're going to change this to fast, and then click on reverse, and then click on OK. Click on pocket. Click on polar array. Change this occurrence to 8 and click OK. So that is the first side of our pipe done. So we are done with drawing the flange of the pipe on one side. everything is fine, as you can see. So let's go ahead and draw the second side. Go ahead and click that second line. Click on create local coordinate. Click on selecting. Click on OK. Refresh. Click on that face. Click on create datum plane. Click on OK. Click on refresh. Go ahead and click on our datum and click on sketch. So let's zoom out. Let's do this. Hold on. We need to make a change. It's not coming. It's not coming out as I wanted. Let's first delete that. Delete that and delete that. We're going to draw that datum again. So let's make sure we're selecting that inner line. Click on create local coordinate system. Click on selecting. Click OK. Refresh. Click that line again. Click on create new datum, right? Click OK. Click refresh. Okay. Then let's go ahead and create, click on that face and create a new sketch. Okay. So let me zoom this in. So once you create that new sketch, you can see that our coordinate system has moved from down here back to up here. So let's go ahead and draw that. Click on the circle tool. Click on that center. Draw the first circle. Click on that center. Draw the second circle. Let's go to the radius constraint. Click on the first one. Give it 50. Click on the second one. Give it 90. And we are fully constrained on that. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on close. Make sure you're selecting sketch 4. Okay, so once we have sketch 4, go ahead and click on pad. We're going to give it 10. Click OK. So let's check everything seems to be good. We can hide these datums since we can hide. Hold on. We can hide these datums by selecting the datum and pressing the spacebar, even that. So we have our image clear. So as you can see, we are done with that. So we are going to go ahead and draw the holes. So select that datum, click on sketch again, so we can see our flange. So we're going to draw the holes here. Click on that tool, click on the circle tool, draw the circle there. Go to constraints, select radius constraint, click on that circle, give it 8. Click on horizontal constraint, click on that spot, click on that spot. We had the other one at 70, so we have to make it uniform, right? So after we have that, go ahead and click on close, click on our sketch 5, click on our pocket tool. Remember, we are saying this is reversed and to face, so our hole can go through. And then click OK. Click on the pocket. Click on the polar array. Change the occurrence to 8 and click OK. And there we go. We can now remove, just hide the local coordinate systems on that, even that. And there we go. We have our elbow pipe, or you can call it an elbow joint with flanges to be able to connect two pipes at a 90-degree angle. Okay. So as you can see, everything is fully constrained, run, and complete. Okay, that's it. Have a good week.